Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Python Gurukul. Today we'll be talking about Agentic AI. We'll see what it is, how it works in the loop, and if we want to build our own, what could be the blueprint. So we have a lot to talk. But before moving further, I want to wish you all happy and prosperous 2026. Let's start our conversation with generative AI. Generative AI help us to create the content where agentic AI is going to help get things done. Let's see how it does. So it works on very basic fundamentals: perceive, reason, act, and learn, and repeat the same thing again and again. Let's see what is the perceive. Perceives are the senses, the agent senses. It takes the input, could be from the prompt, from the sensor data, or from the another API. Wherever reason, the main brain of the agent, where the logic resides, and the act, which is the agent's working hand, is going to take the action, and learn, the memory, where the things are stored, remembered, and being continuously improved. So now we have little bit understanding around agent, how it functions. But what are the pillars? So it has four different pillars. Whenever we are thinking about building our own agent, we should be thinking about building with the decomposition. We don't want one agent doing everything. We want the agent for a specific role. We should have workflow. We should have step by step. If something happens, what we'll be doing. If something doesn't happen, what we'll be doing. Then the context is very important. We don't want to give the agent very wide areas. We want to set the context. Same thing for the model. There are lots of models to choose. We want to choose the right model for the job. So, so very interesting. So these pillars are very interesting. These two are agentic and workflow are self-explanatory. We will do the deep dive for context engineering and for model selection. So let's see, understand a little bit deeper what is the context. So whenever we want to build the agent, we have to set the context. We want to provide a system instruction. What is the role? What is the goal? What are the rules? Input, short-term memory, long-term memory. These are going to help us to avoid the hallucination, maintain the continuity of the agent, and ensure the goal alignment. We are not deviating what we are supposed to be doing. The next thing is the right tool for the job. There are lots of big models. These are built for multi-purpose. But what we need to do, we need to find the specialized model. We don't want to just use GPT or Cloud or Gemini or Llama. These are big thinkers. We have to classify our use case. And for the particular use case, we should be having the particular tool. So now we know bit and pieces how we are going to set one agent or the team of the agent. As we talked, we want the agent for a specific role. So it could be a coordinator, it could be the connector, it could be the evaluator, executor, and planner. Let's see what order we should be arranging the agents. So we should start with the planner, which is going to lay out the plan what we want to build. Then tool, user, and executor is going to help us to perform the job given by the planner. Critic or verifier is going to check that whatever we planned, are we aligned to the goal or we are deviating. And it will be keep sending the feedback, and then executor picks up the feedback, and then this process goes on. Once we have the result, then the coordinator is going to publish the final report. So this is not a theory, it's already being used in enterprise. It could be in telecommunication or in enterprise data flywheels, customer experience, or in the government project. So, what could be our first step whenever we are thinking to build our own agent? So, we should be starting with the track history. We should know the system information. We should know what is the role, and then what available action we can do. Feed those information to the LLM. Once we have the output, classify that what we need, then perform the action and continue the loop. So this workflow gives us the clear picture how the agent should be performing. Once we have the final response, return the final response. Otherwise, keep repeating until we have the expected result. So enough of talking. How we can build one. So already in the market, we have different toolkits. LangChain, Crew AI, NVIDIA Nemo. Open source are my always favorite. I'll be talking about. So now we know what are the agents, how to build them. While building, what we should take. Already, these frameworks are available to help us to build the agent. Just stay tuned. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to make use of the Nemo. That's the NVIDIA toolkit and make our own agent. And that's all I had for today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share.